How to correctly treat your acne marks or your acne scars, also known as acne pits. Hello, my beautiful sisters. I hope you're doing well. To understand how to treat your acne marks and your acne scars, firstly, you need to know the difference between them because there is a huge difference between them. Acne marks are dark spots or pigmented areas in places where you have got acne. The skin there is pigmented, but there is no damage because there is no depression on the skin. It is just darkened. And this takes a few weeks to a few months to heal. But when it comes to acne scars, also known as acne pits, there is a depression in the skin and there is also a change in the texture. The texture is not very smooth, it is rough. Now, the acne scars and acne pits are the real issue because it takes tremendous amount of time to heal it. And today we are going to understand what are the different types of scars and how do we heal them correctly. So, acne occurs when our hair follicles under the skin gets clogged. If supposedly it reaches down to many layers of our skin, then the damage is more intense. And if supposedly it gets clogged to a certain extent, then the damage is less. In such cases, we'll end up getting dark spots and pigmentation that gets cured with time. But if the damage is very intense, then the collagen breaks under that layer of the skin. There is a tissue damage, and that is the reason why the depression gets formed because our skin is not able to repair itself and resurface. Today, we are going to talk about 4 types of acne scars and how to treat them correctly because all of them can be different with their types and with their treatments. But before that, a short introduction of myself. My name is Shilpa Raidas and this channel is all about beauty. On this channel, you will find videos on beauty manifestations, skincare, diet and nutrition for beauty, and personality development for beauty. So, if you are trying to be the most beautiful version of yourself in every possible way through nutrition, diet, skincare, and also with the help of the universe, then this channel is definitely for you. So, you should subscribe right away. Now, let's come to the first type of acne mark that comes under the category of acne marks and pigmentation. Like mentioned earlier, there is redness, there is darkness, there is pigmentation, and there is clustered pigmentation on this area. And this might take a few weeks and sometimes even a few months to heal. However, the damage on the skin is not that much. The second type of scar, which comes under the acne pits category, is the ice pick scar. Now, this looks like a needle has prickled our skin, and this scar goes deep, but on the surface, it does not look very wide and big. However, it does look like a scar. Like if you see normally on a person's face this kind of scar, then it looks like they have scar, but it's not very intense. The third scar will be the rolling scars. This again comes under the acne pits category, and this scar is pretty profound. It looks like the skin is pretty damaged. Every scar, the depression can be varied from 4 to 5 millimeters, and it looks like it has a rolling effect, and the area completely on that side of the cheek or face, wherever, it looks like it is very depressed because the collagen has been pretty damaged in that area. And the last, that is the fourth, that again comes under the acne pits category, is the box scars. These look, again, they have a profound depression, but the depression, instead of round, it looks like U shape, and the edges look quite sharp. Okay. Now, I think this has given you a pretty good idea to differentiate between an acne mark and an acne scar or an acne pit, and what are the different kinds of acne pits. But why to reach there? If you are someone who's got acne, who's got active acne right now, and who keeps getting acne, then you should first understand the prevention from you getting those bad scars. Okay, so let me tell you a few things by which you can prevent the scars from happening. Now, understand one thing, my beautiful sisters. When you are having active acne, if you treat your acne the right way, then you will not reach the level of the scarring. If you do not treat your acne the right way, then only you will be getting the scarring. So first, let's understand how you can avoid the scarring completely altogether. Firstly, I think this is a no-brainer. You should be knowing this, that you should not ever pop your acne. Please do not break it. Please do not keep touching it with your fingers. That way you will be releasing the oil and the bad bacteria of that acne on your skin, and it will be making it worse. The area will have more acne that way, and you will also have scarring that way. Secondly, you should be wearing your sunscreen every single day. When your pigmented acne mark gets exposed to the sun, it gets more inflamed, and that is the reason on that place you will probably have a scar in the future. So please wear your sunscreen. Thirdly, you should always moisturize your face, preferably with a moisturizer having ceramides. That protects your skin barrier and does not let it get further damaged with scarring. Now, you know the logic about people with oily skin having acne is that whenever your skin is not moisturized, your skin releases more oil to moisturize itself. But if your face is moisturized constantly, then your skin is not going to release excess oil, hence avoiding the clogged pores and avoiding acne altogether. And lastly, treat the acne, use the right ingredients to treat it. Salicylic acid, retinol, benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid, niacinamide. These are perfect ingredients, the mix and match of which is going to treat your acne. And constant use of these products with these ingredients and constant use of it, in a couple of months you will start having lesser and lesser acne, and that'll be the best thing to avoid that scarring altogether. So let's talk about those 4 types of acne marks and acne pits and how you're going to treat them now. The first one that has caused you redness and hyperpigmentation, like we discussed, it is not like the biggest problem in the world, because if treated correctly, treating your acne and treating these marks at the same time correctly together is going to relieve you from these marks in a couple of weeks, maybe even in a month or two, and then you'll not be having this problem anymore. And the best part is that you, and the first stage only, you should avoid the scarring altogether. Okay, like I told you, very first thing, please do not forget to use your sunscreen, because that is the worst thing. Your pigment getting exposed to the sun, getting deeper, getting darker, and getting scarred out there. Now at this point of time, the mindset you should go with has to have 4 major things in it. Okay, firstly, you should think about how you will increase your cell turnover. The more healthier cells, okay, will appear there, the lesser you will have your acne and your scarring. Secondly, the collagen production should not be hindered. Thirdly, there should be major exfoliation there on your skin so that you can throw all the dirt and the bad bacteria away. Fourthly, you should focus on how it will not get more pigmented in that area. And the ingredients that work best in such situations will be retinol, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. Please remember that you are not to use vitamin C if you have got active acne. If your acne is not active, but you have got marks there, then you can use a vitamin C. Otherwise, you can choose products which do not have vitamin C. Okay, retinol, again, there's a whole protocol there. You cannot just pick up any retinol product and use. When you start using retinol, there is more side effects than the good effects. So retinol is a total new game altogether. These are a few products I'm going to recommend to you to reduce your hyperpigmentation and the redness by your acne marks. First is the Dermaco Tranexamic Pigmentation Correction Serum. It has got azelaic acid, it has got tranexamic, it has got niacinamide. It's a really good combination and will work wonders for your skin. By the way, I have uploaded a video just day before yesterday on how to treat your discoloration and hyperpigmentation. And yes, you can have a look at that video after this, where you will understand in more details how to treat your hyperpigmentation. My second recommendation will be the Deconstruct Pigmentation Control Serum. Again, it has got all those ingredients I just mentioned, which is going to help you with your hyperpigmentation. And my third recommendation is the Paula Choice Clinical Discoloration Serum. It's a lovely product, and it's not only going to help you with your scarring, your hyperpigmentation, your discoloration, but will also give you anti-aging effects. Yes, just have a look at that video. You've got more varieties of serums there, and that will benefit you. Now let's talk about the other 3 types of scars: the ice pick, the rolling, and the box scars. I'm going to talk about them together because their treatments pretty much come under the same category. Now listen to me carefully, my beautiful sisters. You can see your scars, right? If supposedly your scarring is pretty mild, pretty less, okay, doesn't look too bad, doesn't look too deep, then if you use certain products, certain ingredients, and you just take care of it at home, then there will come some percentage of changes. Okay, they might come a percentage of 5 to 10% change in a few months, and probably in the usage of a year or more than that, they might come even up to 50% change on your skin. But I'm only talking about the mild scarring here. But if your scarring is very intense, it's very deep, it's depressed a lot, just like the rolling scars category, then there is no treatment that you can do at home and cure that fully and make your skin smooth there. You have to go to a dermatologist. And even when you go to a dermatologist, the chances of success after a couple of procedures, like between 2 to 6 sittings and even more, there'll be a chance of a success rate between 20 to 80%. But you cannot be assured that 100% your skin is going to be like how it was before the scarring. That is the bad news about scarring. Okay, now let me tell you about a few treatments that you can do at a dermatologist, which is going to heal your bad scarring. And then I'm going to tell you about those home remedies, those ingredients in serums that you can use if you have a mild scarring that can bring a change in your skin. The first treatment will be microneedling, where there are devices with small needles attached to it, and they microneedle your skin. The basic concept behind microneedling is that when your skin gets injured, the collagen will boost in that area and your skin has a probable chance to resurface. And that way the depression is going to heal and it is going to be smooth again in that area. The next will be chemical peel. Now, chemical peel has many categories and many levels. Some give you mild peeling, some give you, moderate peeling, some give you intense peeling. And not all chemical peels suit everybody. You have to be careful about that. And you have to have a very clear, detailed word with the doctor that what will be the consequences, what is the things that you have to take care of, because that peeling can happen in a stage of many days, okay, when you leave the clinic as well. So yeah, not getting into too much details about the peels, but this is how the chemical peel works. The third treatment will be fractional laser. Now, laser treatments are very popular right now, and it's effective because it can, micro target a certain area and it can heal that area of whatever issue the skin is having. However, it is not like micro needling that suits everybody. Laser treatment does not suit everybody. And I know for a fact that laser treatment can also sometimes harm somebody. If you go to a good place and if you have got a treatment that suits you, that's well and good. I'm not saying that laser treatments are bad and it will not suit everybody. But my beautiful sisters, it is my job to tell you that it is quite a big decision you'll be taking for your skin. Even though people say that it is very safe, but there are cases where people have damaged the skin more by taking laser treatments. So you need to go to a trustworthy place, you need to be very sure of it, and you need to be clear of what are the consequences and how it is going to suit your skin and your skin type or not. Now, let's come to those people who have got mild scar and they're willing to take time and efforts from their home. Like I mentioned, you are not going to see radical changes in just a few weeks. It will take a couple of months. And with the constant use of these ingredients for over a year, you are going to see some radical changes. Your skin is going to land up getting clearer and smoother, definitely. Okay. The first one is the use of retinol. Retinol for everything. See, retinol not just takes away your fine lines, wrinkles, gives you anti-aging benefits, clears your skin with discoloration, pigmentation, and all of that. But retinol is amazing when it comes to boosting the collagen of your skin and also removing these pitted scars from your skin. It is not going to happen overnight, like I mentioned, but it is one of the strongest and the most effective ingredients to treat your acne pits. Okay, you cannot start with the strongest retinol. You need to start with the basic retinol. Now, I will not get into how you use a retinol. I have got other videos for it. Please have a look at all those videos I have made, how to use the retinol, what are the precautions to use, what mistakes you should not make. All of that is there in those videos. You have a look. Okay, tretinoin, the purest and the best version of retinol, is best for such situations. But if you are a beginner, you can also use retinol based creams and retinol based serums. Second one will be peeling solutions, but I'm not talking about those mild peeling solutions that we use normally. I'm talking about very strong peeling solutions. My two recommendations to you will be the Paula's Choice peeling solution and the ordinary peeling solution. These two, using in the course of time, will give you very effective results, not just for your acne, scars and pits, but for a lot of other things. It is going to benefit your skin. Thirdly, what you can do is use red light mask. Red light is very effective for boosting the collagen of our skin. Here, the whole funda comes by boosting the collagen. If your collagen is boosted, automatically that depression goes up, right? So, red light mask is very effective for using, for boosting the collagen of your skin, and constant use of it will not just make you, not just boost your collagen, but it gives you a tight skin and also increases the beauty of your face. And the last one, which could take a very very long time, but overall it helps with your beauty and it helps with your scarring, is you should take collagen supplements. Now when you start taking collagen supplements at once altogether, don't expect your marks to be healed, but over the time, not just your marks, but a lot of other changes are going to come to your face. Your skin texture is going to improve altogether. Your skin is going to be clearer. You're going to get rid of your pigmentations, your hyperpigmentations, your discoloring. I'm somebody who takes collagen regularly for a very long time, and I completely believe in it, because from the time I started to take collagen a few years back to now, I'm not the same person. Okay. And I truly believe that collagen does that for your skin. And see, taking collagen supplement is beneficial in so many other ways. It's good for your muscles, it's good for your bones. So your longevity is also improving, right? So yeah, for all those things also, my beautiful sisters, like I always tell you, if you eat healthy, if you take care of yourself, you not are, you have to build your internal health, you have to build your longevity internally. If you're healthy, then only you're beautiful externally. Please don't forget that. Okay, so your right diet, your right nutrition is very important. One thing I want to tell you, most importantly, this probably is the most important part of the video, that please don't undermine yourself because you have got some acne scars and acne pits. Who gives a damn? Okay, you should know how to carry yourself well. Do the right makeup, carry yourself well, bring that confidence inside you, and reflect that confidence outside. Nobody will even see that acne scar or acne pits if you have that kind of confidence, my beautiful sisters. The most good looking people around us, the most good looking people in the world, they are the ones who have got the most flaws. But they are hot, they are attractive, they are admirable because they have that confidence. Okay, I don't want to make this about a moralistic video, but actually the fact is that you do things, you have the right ingredients, take the right supplements, go to a dermatologist if you need to, do whatever you want, but you cannot buy that confidence from a shop or from a dermatologist or from a cosmetic shop. You need to build that confidence inside you. That is the most important essence. I was also very insecure about a lot of things in my life, but I just started giving a damn after some time, and it feels like I am, absolutely gorgeous because of that confidence, not because of the get up or other things you do. And when you are confident, you automatically start making confident choices, brilliant, beautiful choices. Like people respect you and people put you in that category that, my God, this person is so attractive. They need to be treated a certain way. They need to be looked at a certain way. Okay. And that time, these acne marks, acne pits, all these will feel trivial, will feel like nonsense, will feel like, what? I just forgot about it. You know, please have that kind of mindset. Okay. I respect that you are working hard to take care of your skin. Never let that go down. Keep elevating your hard work, but at the same time, keep elevating your confidence. Understand that these go hand in hand. That is only going to be the best masala for beauty and attraction. Okay, all the very best. I hope that you have subscribed by now, and do also give me a like. I will love that. And thank you so much for your time. Take care of yourself. All the very best, and give me good results. Okay, and I hope that your skin heals completely. I love you so much. Take care of yourself, my beautiful sisters. Bye bye.